So in this video, I will give you the working rule to find the inverse the transforms. So the first step, so let u bar of z is equals to f of z by g of z. So be the given. So this will be the given thing. So what is the first step in that? So divide, and what we have to do before this second step, so resolve g of z into non-repeated linear factors. Second step, so divide u bar of z by z to get u bar of z by z. So third point, resolve u bar of z by z into partial fractions. So fourth step, multiply u bar of z by z to get u bar of z. For fifth step, use the inverse z transform formula to compute the inverse z transform of given function. So now I will explain the same procedure with an example. So I'll take the example, that is u bar of z is equals to z by z minus 1 into z minus 2. See, the denominator here, both are linear terms. So what I will do, so I'll divide this expression by z. So when you divide it by z, it will be u bar of z by z is equals to 1 by z minus 1 into z minus 2. This right hand side you have to, for the right hand side we have to use the partial fractions. 1 by z minus 1 into z minus 2, that is a by z minus 1 plus b by z minus 2. When you simplify it, just cross multiply a into z minus 2 plus b into z minus 1. So now to find the constants, so I'll substitute z is equals to 1. So left hand side is 1. Here a into 1 minus 2. Because 1, the second term will be 0. 1 is equals to a into minus 1, which implies minus a is equals to 1, or a is equals to minus 1. This is a. Now again I'll substitute z is equals to 2. Put z is equals to 2. So left hand side is 1. This term becomes 0, the first term, plus b into 2 minus 1. So 1 is equals to b into 1, which implies b is 1. So we got both the values, that is a and b. A is minus 1 and b is 1. So therefore u bar of z, or you can write this as one more step, z minus 1 into z minus 2 will be a. A means minus 1 by z minus 1, b 1 by z minus 2. So this is nothing but u bar of z by z. So u bar of z by z is equals to minus 1 by z minus 1 plus 1 by z minus 2. So you multiply this equation by z. So u bar of z is equals to minus z by z minus 1 plus z by z minus 2. Now find the inverse z transform. So take the inverse z transform. Inverse z transform, that is inverse z transform of u bar of z will be equal to minus inverse z transform of z by z minus 1 plus inverse z transform of z by z minus 2. So what we will get, this is un, z by z minus 1 inverse is 1 and z by z minus 2 inverse is 2 to the power of n. So therefore inverse z transform of the given function is 2 to the power of n minus 1. So this is how we will find out the inverse z transform. Thank you.